We'll guide you through how to edit text in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To successfully edit text within your video projects, first launch the CapCut desktop software on your computer. Click the Sign In button in the top left corner of the primary screen. Choose the Sign In with Google option for a fast and streamlined login process. Select the Google account you wish to use now for managing your creative assets. Once the authorization page appears, click Continue on the Access Permission screen to proceed. Then, select Open CapCut in your browser window to return to the application. Confirm you're logged in to access cloud features for saving your work online. Next, click the Create Project button to open the workspace where editing occurs. Select the Import button to add raw video material from your computer storage. Navigate through your folders to locate the specific media files you need for this project. Select the video files you intend to edit today and click Open to bring these assets into your library. Click and drag your media directly onto the editing timeline located at the bottom of the screen. To begin adding titles, select Text from the main menu bar at the top left area. Click the plus button on the default text option to create new text layers. Click the text box on the right side of the screen to edit the actual words. Change the font style to make it more professional. Adjust the character spacing to improve the overall readability of text within the frame. Modify the font size so it fits your frame without hiding visuals. Adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the text clip to match your video precisely. Review your timeline to ensure the text timing is accurate. Click the Export button in the top right corner area. Set the resolution to 1080p within settings for HD quality. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting for maximum clarity. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum device compatibility. Select MP4 as your output format for a perfect file balance. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth playback. Click Export at the bottom to begin the render. Wait for the progress bar to finish your processing entirely. Your video is now ready to share right now.